ENCOR Section 13 Summary Challenge: Virtual Private Networks and Interfaces. Which network topology is in use when every network has a direct VPN connection to every other network? This topology provides any-to-any communication and provides the most optimal direct path for network traffic. This has to be full mesh. Which three statements about site-to-site VPNs are true? Okay, let's see. Quite a few options to choose from. They authenticate VPN peers and network devices that provide VPN functionality for an entire site. This is correct, hence the name. They connect site to site. So they do this for entire site, like an office or branch or central office, whatever. They provide transmission securely between sites over an untrusted network. This is also correct. It's between sites and over the untrusted network like internet. They eliminate the need for basic network traffic controls. They eliminate the need for basic network traffic controls. You still need to control the traffic, right? So this is not a correct option. They often encounter problems with traffic filtering. Probably not necessarily. Support only Cisco routers. This is not correct. These VPNs are standards-based and they can be implemented on a variety of devices and by a variety of vendors. They can be used as replacements for classic routered WANs. And this seems to me as a correct option because the classic routered WAN would be you just buy connection from one point to another point, and in a legacy times this could have been a physical connection or something like circuit switched, frame switched, whatever. But VPNs basically utilize internet in most cases and just establishing a secure encrypted communication over the insecure network such as internet. They eliminate the need for high availability. No, they don't. High availability is still needed. It has to be implemented additionally to VPNs. And they eliminate the need for QoS. This is also not correct. So these three options look good to me. Which option is an encryption mode supported by IPsec? Pass-through mode, bypass mode, clear mode, and tunnel mode. So correct answer is tunnel mode, and this is one of the two encryption modes available in IPsec. Another one is called transport, which is not presented here. And transport mode only encrypts the original IP packet payload or data. So the header of the original IP packet remains unencrypted. Tunnel mode, on the other hand, it takes the whole original IP packet, encrypts it together with the header, and encapsulates it into a new datagram, a new IP packet. Which VPN solution relies on IKE version 2? Okay, this may be a difficult question for me. IKE version 2. I want to say this is FlexVPN as a kind of more advanced option and more simpler and easier to configure. I'm not sure if the other options are correct, so I will have to just mostly guess this one. I'm not sure in detail what the difference is between IKE version 1 and version 2. Which two encapsulation methods are supported by Cisco IOS VTIs? So they can do, VTI stands for Virtual Tunnel Interface. So, and they do ESP or AH. Yeah, so both AH, authentication header, and ESP are supported on Cisco IOS. And AH is kind of legacy technology, which does not encrypt the traffic, and preferable way to establish secure tunnels right now is ESP, which stands for encapsulated security payload. I hope that I'm correct. And also AH, as far as I recall from the course, is not supported on Cisco ASA devices. Yeah, so these are two correct options. Which command can be used to verify that IPsec tunnels are established and to display the number of encrypted and decrypted packets for individual connections? Okay, this is quite detailed. This has to be show crypto IPsec security association. Okay, so show crypto IPsec security association. I don't recall the detail keyword. It was not used in the lab, so I may be wrong with that completely. Okay, verify that IPsec tunnels are established and display the number of encrypted and decrypted packets for individual connections. So to me, it seems that this command is correct. It shows the IPsec security association, and I guess there is a detail keyword. So this one would show ISACamp security association, which is the first stage in establishing the secure communication. Show crypto map. Show crypto map wasn't really covered in this course, and I understand that this is a legacy way of configuring VPNs. And show crypto PKI. PKI, public key infrastructure, that does not necessarily have something to do with this topic. Definitely PKI was not covered in this section. And sockets, I don't recall this comment at all. So I will keep the show crypto IPsec security association detail command. Which option is the stronger hash algorithm used by IKE? Okay, out of this list, there are only two options which are hash algorithms. They are MD5 and SHA. And MD5, message digest 5, is older hashing algorithm, and SHA is definitely more advanced and stronger than MD5. DH groups are Diffie-Hellman groups, and they are not used for hashing. They are used to for two sides to establish security credentials between themselves in a series of network exchanges. Okay, let's see.